Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. You see your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. How is everyone doing? Yes guys, I'm doing so great. So today we are making virgin coconut oil. You might be wondering what is this? This is virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for your hair, good for your body, and it's good for your food. It can cook so much delicious meals. So guys, if you want to know how I made this, then watch this video to the end. So let's get started. So guys, for our cold pressed coconut oil, we'll be using 6 coconuts. You can see them here. So it depends on the quantity you want. They now know the number of coconuts we are going to be using. So first of all, what we do is for us to break these coconuts and cut into smaller pieces, then get your blender and then blend. So guys, let's get started with the breaking of the coconut. So for you to break a coconut, you have different ways. Some say you can put in the fire and it should come out from the shell. You can use your knife to hit it, you break it, or you can hit it on the floor and it just get broken. Let me try hitting it with this. So let me use my knife to hit. Let me see if it's going to get broken. Yay, it's broken. It's broken. So you get a bowl and pour the water in. So guys, you can see on the table, I've broken all of them. So now I'll take them out from the shell. Then cut them into smaller pieces so I can use my blender to blend. But if your blender is not strong enough, you can go to the public place where they blend them. But why I don't like that one is because they might use that blender to blend something else, and your cold pressed coconut oil won't be pure white because it might have colors. That's why I don't like going to that place. So I'll just cut them into smaller chunks, then get them ready for blending. So guys, you can see I'm done taking out all the shells. So what I'll do now is to cut them into smaller chunks, then I'll wash. Then the next thing is that I'll blend. To get my chopping board, cut them into smaller chunks like this. So my people, I have done cutting them into smaller chunks like this. So I'll take it over to the sink now, wash, and then come and start blending. So guys, I'm done washing. This is what we have. So just put it in the blender, just take them bit by bit so that I don't spoil your blender. Except you have the almighty Buchi blender, then you can pour all of them at once. So guys, see what we have here. This is what we have. So I'll just keep blending until I am done. So guys, you can see I'm done blending and this is what I have. So now take out your cheesecloth or your sieve to get out the milk. So you can see I'm already ready. And I got a transparent bucket so I can see when the milk has settled. You can see the water draining into the bucket. You can see the water draining into the bucket. So this is what I'm going to do until I am done. And as for the shaft, you may be asking what you can do with it. You can bake cookies with it or blend it and make your coconut flour. So I'll take it out until I'm done with that. So guys, I'm done sieving this, and this is what we have. So next stage is that I'll leave this overnight or for some hours, let the milk separate from the water. So this transparent bucket now will allow you to see when the milk and water have separated very well, so you can now scoop out the milk, which is what we want. So I'll cover the bucket now, put it in a cool place, or you can put it in the fridge so you can take out the milk easily. So guys, we'll see you later. So guys, this is the coconut. You can see that the water and the milk has separated. I left it for overnight, and you can see the top, the oil has started coming out. So what I'll do now is to scoop this top now and put in this bowl so that the oil will start coming out. Then I'll keep it in a cool area. You just have to be careful so that you don't take in the water. You can see the water has separated very well. This is cold pressed coconut oil. Oh my God. So what I'll do now is to keep it in a cool place, let more of the oil come out. You can see from here, see, this is cold pressed coconut oil. See, this is oil now. This is oil, coconut oil that is medicinal, good for your body, hair cream, body cream, and for your food. This is coconut oil. So I'll keep it some more and let more oil come out. So I'll see you guys later. So guys, this is 6 hours I left this, and you can see at the top you have your oil, and the bottom you have your shaft or whatever. So I'll just start scooping it with my spoon. You have to take it easy. Get your cloth and a sieve so you get your cold pressed oil. Mind you, for this coconut oil you have to use very strong coconut. If not, if the coconut is not strong, you won't be getting any oil. It has happened to me once when I was making coconut oil. The coconuts were not strong and I didn't get any oil at all. If you can see very well, the oil is draining into this glass cup. So guys, this is our cold pressed coconut oil. You can see how it's looking. So I'll put it in the fridge now and let it congeal, and you see the beauty of it. For this, I won't be pouring this one out. I'll put it in my frying pan and bring out some more oil, because that is a different way of making coconut oil. So let me put it in the fridge and I'll show you how it turns out later, why this goes into the frying pan. So guys, you can see the one I'm boiling, you can see some oil coming out. So the custard is not a waste. You can see I still have more oil here. So let's check the one I put in the fridge to cool. So guys, this is the cold pressed coconut oil. I kept it in the freezer, and this is how it congealed. Coconut oil is good for your hair, for your food, and it can cure some illnesses. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so very much. If you are joining for the first time, please subscribe, and if you have been following me, thank you so very much. And guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next. Bye bye.